Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Kawale. This is Mujahid Hussain. Friends, hope you will find today my video is for those persons who are worried about these kind of dots. During this rain, this happened in the Pakistan in lot of people, in lot of cars. So in this video, we will solve this problem and remove these dots in the mirror. Let's start. Yes, my friends, you don't have need to go to the painter. If you will go to the painter to paint your car, it will be very costly and it will damage your car market. So you don't have need to go anywhere. You can do yourself. You have only to purchase this brake fluid or any brake fluid which is available near you. So this is the guard brake oil. This is the local guard company, Pakistani company, and you can purchase it in 250 rupees. Very cheap brake oil. And I will do the magic with this brake oil in your car with the rusty dot on your paint. So let's do it. Friends, you can see the dot is totally removed. Now you can apply this method on other dots and you will see the results with this